today's video, I'm going to show you the exact skills to choose, the mistake to avoid, what to write. Because guys, most people get rejected by DataAnnotation.tech because they don't know what the AI is looking for in the skills session. So guys, choosing the right skills can actually give you the access to a whole lot of projects on DataAnnotation.tech. So guys, as you can see right there, this is DataAnnotation.tech, and you simply get paid to train AI on your own schedule. And guys, I'll simply show you all this before I actually create an account. So guys, I want you to actually stick with me right to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on anything. All right, so now we are going to click on this apply now to actually get started. So right here, is it how you continue with your email or your Google? All right, so you can simply sign up using your email and your Google. All right, so guys, and that guys, why join Data Annotation? And this is 100% remote, and they are flexible. They have flexible schedule, and of course, guys, you can start right away, and they have guarantee pay right here. So now you simply want to choose any one of your choice right here. Maybe you want to continue with email, or you simply want to continue with Google. So I'll simply continue with Google right here. So you simply want to click on your email. So this is my email right here. So I'll simply click on my email to actually continue. So after that, you want to click on continue. So you want to actually fill your details right here. My name is Ayo, so I'll simply write it right here. So right here, you want to enter your phone number, right? So guys, make sure you use the right phone number, because they are going to send a code to you almost immediately to verify your phone number. So this is very important. Make sure you are using the correct phone number right here. So that's my WhatsApp phone number, but just in case you want to reach out to me. All right, so like I said, they are going to send a code. Make sure you are using the correct number, right? So I'll simply come here and enter the code right here. Alright, as you can see right now, phone number verified. And guys, it is very important. Most people, you actually stop right here. And guys, this part is very important. Alright, so you just want to set up your profile, and this is the most important part, because if you don't set this up in the proper way, guys, you won't get access to the project on the Data Annotation. So please, if you are getting value from this video, I want you to do something. Like this video, all right, subscribe if you are here to subscribe, and also make sure you share with a friend out there. All right, this is very important. All right, now I want to continue with this video. You simply want to click on your profile. This is very important. All right, so when you actually click on your profile, you'll be redirected to what you see right here. Now what we want to do right here is simply want to choose your language. All right, so now if you can speak English, Portuguese, or French, you simply want to enter it right here. All right, so I can actually speak English, so I'll simply click on the language right here to choose my language, English. So we have Thai, Filipino, Greek, Vietnamese, Turkish, and so on. So I'll simply choose English. Now, how well do you speak this language? So if you don't know much about this, you can actually read this. So for conversation, you can read and write at a basic level. Now for this, for fluent, you can read the language almost perfectly and can write with few words. So you want to check on down right here. Native, you are spoken this language is bed or lived in a country where it is the dominant language for 10+ years. So guys, you simply want to choose any one of your choice. So I'll simply go with this one. Now the skill right here, so this is very important. So this is very important. That's why I asked you to actually stay with me right to the end of this video, so that you won't miss this part. All right, it is very important. So guys, now we simply start with writing skills. So I'll simply look for writing. All right, so we look for writing. Let me say writing. Let me for content writing. So by using content writing, this shows you can produce the high quality text AI needs to learn from. So that's our first skill right here. So guys, it is very important. All right, this is very important. And of course, guys, we are going to choose another one. We are still going to choose writing. All right, and I'll tell you why. Namely for writing. So simply go with this editing. So guys, this is the most important skill for RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. All right, and as you will spend most of your time correcting AI mistakes, so guys, this is one of those skills that I will recommend for you to actually choose. Another one is medical. I'm actually a medical laboratory scientist, so I'll simply choose medical right here, because many companies need medical professionals to verify that the health information the AI provides is safe and also accurate. So I'll simply look for medical writer. So guys, make sure you are with me. All right, make sure you are with me. This is very important. All right, this is very important if you want to get access to loads of projects on this platform. So you want to click on your medical, other medical specialists, technician, and so on. And I want to add another one right here. So guys, this is very important. All right, so I simply want to add this admin and customer support, because this actually proves you can follow complex instructions and manage detailed tasks. All right, so when you actually choose this, so guys, we are actually working on this. We are careful with this. All right, we don't want to choose any skills with just any skills. We don't want to choose just any skills. We are really careful with this. All right, skills and background. Add any other information you think would help us determine which project you are best suited for. So guys, this is the most critical part of this application. All right, the system scans this for keywords like RLHF. I made mention of this earlier on, accuracy and logic. So guys, now as a medical laboratory scientist, I'm going to write something like this. I a B BMLS with a background. So guys, you can also change this to yours. All right, you can actually change this to yours. In the chemical pathology. Content strategies. So guys, this is very important, so I'm taking my time to actually write this. So if you can actually do the right thing right here, guys, I want to assure you you'll be getting access to a whole lot of projects. All right, so you want to make sure you set this up properly. So if you can set this up properly, guys, you are simply good to go. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are here to, and like, please. All right, so guys, this is what I wrote. I am a BMLS graduate with a background in chemical pathology and a digital content strategy specializing in technical editing. I have extensive experience in fact checking complex data. Let me take it this way: complex data and ensuring 100% accuracy in technical reporting. My professional background has trained me to adhere strictly to standard operating procedures, which is SOPs, making me highly proficient in providing detailed human-centric feedback for RLHF and LLM training, because guys, these keywords are very important. I am an expert in English grammar and creative writing with a sharp eye for identify AI hallucinations or logical inconsistencies. So guys, you want to write something like this for the skills and background, all right? So now this is it, guys. Now another important part is this. Now make sure you don't make this mistake. Your name, all right, the one you are creating this account with must match this paper email, all right? So you must use the same uh name, all right. Your name must match the paper email, all right. And guys, for those that they are like, okay, paper is not available in my country, e.g. Nigeria, Ghana, please don't worry, I'm going to actually talk about this, all right. So make sure you subscribe and um like this video. Make sure you subscribe, it is very important so that you won't miss out on this update. And another thing right here is your LinkedIn profile URL, guys. This is very important. All right, now the root optional, but guys, I want you to create a LinkedIn account and get your link, all right, and put it right here, all right. That is very important. Now guys, you want to click on this place to update your account. Now I'll simply go back to this place. Now I want to show you how you can actually withdraw your money. So you want to click on this place right here where you see transfer funds. So you want to click on transfer funds. So guys, right now I have the available to balance withdraw $0 and another one pending approval and total earnings. So now please give our team 3 to 7 days for our hourly project to review your work after you complete it before payments are able to be withdrawn. After you make a withdrawal, please wait 3 days before being able to withdraw again. If it's been longer than that, or if you receive a payment transfer error, please email support, all right. So you can add your paper email address to your account to receive payment, all right. And you can also go to your inbox. And guys, this is very important. You supposed to come here daily, all right, or you want to be consistent on this website. Now you want to check your work on projects. So guys, now they will actually update this project with time. So I want to click on that so you can understand this better, guys. When you actually click on work on projects, you're going to get this. We do not have any open projects to assign to you at the moment. So guys, note that at the moment, and our workflow can vary, so it is common to see available work fluctuate. So take note of this, is very important. Keep an eye out for emails from us for project announcements. As soon as we have a task that matches your skills and availability, we'll reach out about claiming it. In the meantime, make sure your profile fully represents your capabilities so we can match you accurately. Guys, this is what I have for you in this video. I really appreciate you for sticking with me right to the end of this video. And guys, please like this video and subscribe if you are here too. I'll see you in the next one.